Good evening, everybody. So this video is back on the Mark II Escort again. This is literally the night after the last video, so as you can see, everything's as it was in the video last night. I'm going to try, as I currently have the tripod, I'm going to try and film a bit of me actually doing some work tonight, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully the buzzing is going to stay off. The ramp's turned off at the minute, so hopefully I can let you guys hear me even when I'm over there somewhere working on the car. And then yeah, I'll have a few videos sort of cut and splice together, hopefully a bit of welding, a bit of grinding, cutting some stuff up. A lot of me going, what do I do here? What's next? That sort of thing. So yeah, we'll see what happens, won't we? But yeah, hopefully this will be a slightly more interesting video for you people. 699 subscribers as of when I checked before I came up here today. So one subscriber away from 700, which is absolutely insane. So thank you very much to everyone who watches and likes, comments, subscribes, and all the rest of it. It all helps. It all, you know, I'm glad you guys, girls, anyone in between, are happy with the content that I'm putting out, and hopefully the content continues to grow and the channel continues to grow, and you guys just stick with me. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna change to part 2 of the video now. I think somewhere around about here, because I need to plan what I'm doing next on the car. I think it's going to be a flitch panel, in all honesty. Yeah, get some stuff prepped, get the welder set up, grinder and everything else set up, and we'll be back. And we're back. So we'll see what we can do. underlay on that bit. Need to trim that edge out of it. That there. You see why this stuff takes so long for me? It's not a quick and simple, oh yeah, just put that on there sort of jobby. It's make it fit, make it work. Try it again, try it again, try it again. Let's just try and get some shape into it as well. That's going to be fun afterwards otherwise. Okay. So, new panel made. Needs cleaning up, but we'll do that in a second. And got to clean up some of the previous welds from there. My welding is definitely getting better, it's improving. Practice makes perfect, I suppose, but I'm definitely nowhere near perfect yet. I don't ever intend on being perfect, to be honest, because otherwise you get clever and thinking you're better than everybody else, so we don't want to do that. Drink. Not sponsored by Coca-Cola as much as I love it. We need the other grinder this time. We're going to go back to grinder. Rapidly. Because this one's got a flappy disc on it. I'd say just doing back and forth with the discs. Once we've got some life in the battery, we're all good. Really down. Okay, right, so panel's ready. This is all good. So while I set the welder up, I'm going to do another video cut and a video start. So yeah. Okay, so we are back. This could be interesting. The first time I've properly attempted welding whilst the camera's running, so I don't know what's going to happen with how it looks or anything like that, but we'll see. I'm currently just turning the gas on. The welder is noisy, so I'm going to apologise for the noise you're going to get in a moment. But hopefully it's just something interesting for you guys and everyone else to watch. So yeah, I will apologise for the noise now before I turn it on. Got the welding mask, we're good for that. Earth's on the body, panels are all cleaned up, mask's going on the head. And you know what? If it all goes to pot, then I just won't put this bit in the video. Simple as that. Right, let's see what happens. Oh, we need to do that. Let's clear the nozzle out. So, as I've said before, I'm not a great welder. I know that I don't do everything as I should. Fully aware of that. Mainly by the look of the welds, but I do get a decent penetration with the welds now, and you know, it's holding together very well. It seems pretty damn solid. Anything that I could get away with stitch welding, I tend to do a full seam weld on anyway, which may be overcompensating, but I want to make sure that what I'm putting into the car is solid. So, right, let's find, oh, I need a torch, that might come in handy, just in case. That'll stay there. Let's have a look. Yeah, and I can see it through the mask. Lovely. Right, so welder's going on. It's going to get noisy, sorry. Okay. Let that cool off for a minute. So, don't know if you could hear what I was saying midway through. Got some thin metal on the factory stuff there that I didn't want to just blow holes through. Did blow a little one there and a little one there, but overall that's gone in relatively pain-free so far, which is quite nice. Yeah, it's fitting nicely, and then that's going to be this section here where the clamp thing is actually lower than the panel it should be. It's had repairs here badly before. I didn't realise until after I'd already started the process, as I said the other day. So I've actually put in a panel underneath so that I can actually skim that and it will still be the right height and the right look there. You can probably tell someone, one of my mates, Robin, put in this suspension support top mounts for me. That was, crikey, 2015, so you know, nearly 10 years ago. They're still solid on there. Luckily he found some metal underneath what turns out to have been filler. We didn't realise it was there until we've properly dug into it over the process of doing this section. But yeah, they're solid. Got some custom top mounts made by Nick Bond as well, which was very nice of him. Need to get a new shock absorber, but yeah, I'm going off subject. So there's a bit of my welding for you guys to see. As you can see, I've done a little bit of a stitch in there. We've got a stitch up here as well, just in some of the more wanting to move areas. And then I've just got to button it all up, basically, turn it all into one piece. And hopefully it'll be solid. Seems to be solid enough so far. Nothing's bent, nothing's moved. So every panel I'm putting back in is just making it stronger and stronger again. But with this now, hopefully, once that's in place, I can then work my way down this panel. I think I mentioned earlier in the video that they do repair panels for this, the flitch panel, which would be very nice. I think I saw them on eBay at like 70 quid a pop. And I just can't afford it at the moment. I can't afford anything for this car, to be honest, other than a bit of time here and there. Luckily my wife's very understanding, my lovely Becky, and she is letting me come up here any night that, you know, I'm not needed at home for anything specific, or if she's not going out. So I'm up here as much as possible at the moment. She knows how much I want to use it and how much I want to drive it, so that just means just getting on with it, doesn't it? Yeah, so hope you're enjoying it so far. I don't know how much more videoing I'm going to do because I just want to get cracking, and believe it or not, as much as it sounds like, oh well, he's just turned the camera on, I do have to do quite a lot of extra stuff to accommodate the camera, and then I've still got to go home, edit this all and make a video out of it. So yeah, it's there is a lot goes on behind the scenes that you don't see, obviously. But granted, my videos are quite basic compared to what some people do, but there's still quite a bit of time goes into it all. So yeah, I'm going to stop the video for the minute, save some battery on my phone. If I'm doing anything new or interesting, maybe when I'm seam welding this section in, I might video that as well. But for the minute, we're going to call it a day there, and we'll add on something at the end. All right, see you in a bit. Yeah, so there you go, guys. I don't know how much of that you could see from the camera's view, but I'm gonna carry you over and let you see what we've achieved. This is weird with a tripod on. So that is the new section there, and yeah, quite warm at the minute, but it is solid. Definitely looks solid there. Clean all of that up, clean those bits up, clean those bits up. Quick shoom with some filler, and then, all right, it's still going to have filler in it, but it's actually going to have some metal there as well this time. You know, it's not just covering rust now, which is a bonus. And then I've got to look at, that's just rancid. Not looking forward to doing that bit. Let's do it. Hiya. Pop the, oh, we'll find a spot. Balance somewhere there, hopefully. Where are we here? Let's see where I've got to stand. Right in front of the car. Okay. So, oop, sharp. Don't lean on that, it's going to bend. So yeah, that's something a little bit different for you all to watch today. What day are we on? Thursday. So I might even get another evening up here tomorrow night. But we'll see what happens. It's only, like I say, it's just such slow progress because it's all small bits at the moment, just to make it somewhat right to where it's meant to be. Yeah, it's coming along. As you've seen me make some progress again. I need to get this flitch panel done. That's next on the list. I was hoping to start that tonight, but depending on the time, depends on whether I've got any time at all left to actually do anything more. But yeah, I'm happy with that. That's good. We're making progress, as we say in every video. And if I'm not in the shot, I do apologise because I can't see both sides of the camera. Yeah, but we'll do another video when we're up here next, either tomorrow night or one night next week, and then I'll keep you updated. I apologise for the lack of model content. I apologise for the lack of general video content over the past couple of weeks. As I said in the last video, there's been quite a lot going on. So, yeah. Right. I'm going to actually call it a day there, video-wise at least tonight. So, yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing. I know I'm going to get some comments on how bad my welding is. I'm fully aware. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I'll speak to you all soon. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Thanks for everything. Bye-bye for tonight.